Hello there, welcome to my channel. Abata Sherifdin here. Thanks for tuning in this time around. In this video, I would love to show you how to visualize trends over time with the line charts plus the trend line. So if you like to visualize changes over a period of time, the line chart is your best bet. Example of data sets that you could visualize with the line chart plus the trend line is temperature by month, price by quarter, and so on. So let's jump to Microsoft Excel and I'll show you how to visualize data with the line chart to the trend line. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel and you'd like to be a Microsoft Excel Pro with still different tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new contents every Wednesdays and Sundays. And trust me, I always try my best possible to drop new content just for you, no matter the challenges I may be facing. Thank you. So let's jump to Microsoft Excel and let me show you how to visualize some data with the line chart for the trend line. Hi there. So here in Microsoft Excel, I have a simple data set here with the dates column, Google and Amazon. So this data set, I would like to show the closing price over a period of time. So to get started, all I have to do is select all my data range like this. And after that, I'll come to the insert tab. Chart is something that you insert. So when I come to the insert tab on my ribbon bar, so I come over to charts. So this is line charts. I come to charts. This line chart here. So this is simple 2D line charts. There are different ones you could add. This stack line. This other piece is stack line. This line with markers. So by the way, you can add markers on your own. So I'll start to with this simple 2D line chart. When I click that, you see boom. So my data set is visualized. Let me enlarge that so you can see it very well. So you can see we are doing we are doing changes over a period of time. Let me just change the title to closing price. I think that's cool. So you can see our data set here is very free. So our minimum range here is 400. So let me just format this value here, format axis to the minimum of, let me change the minimum to 10 so we can read this data very well easily. Just click on enter, boom. I think that's okay now. So I just close this out. You see it looks more readable. You can see how the changes are occurring over time. You can see it seems that when it gets to this month here, the closing price they will converge. So this is it. Another thing I could do is I could add a trend line. Since I'm visualizing changes over time, so I could easily add a trend line to add more value to this data set. So let me just select this Google data set first. When I come to design, chart elements, trend line. So we have different trend line. We have linear, exponential, linear forecast. Let me just go with the linear. See, boom. So I've added the trend line. So the trend line is going to show you how the changes occur over time. So we could even format this trend line. And I click this. I click on format trend line. Boom. You see. So if we design, I'll come back and show you something there. Let me add another trend line to this those Amazon. So rather than going to this old format, you can just click on this. You can see add trend line. So it's going to add it automatically. So this time around, let's change this Amazon trend line to another type. Let's change it to polynomial. Let's make it 3 order. You can see how the trend occurred over time. You can see like this, and it came down here and it went up here, and this is the perfect way to show a trend line. And just move this here so you can see very well. So another thing we could do is we could forecast. Let me just click this. We could forecast trend line, just from my trend line. So we could add the forecast. Let's say you want to see what will happen in the next 30 days, for example. We just change it to 30 days here. You can see is we could know that okay, in the next 30 days what it's going to be what getting higher and higher. Let's do the same things from this Google. Let's add 30 days. Boom. So in the next 30 days, you could see by what the closing price, what they could emerge, sorry, they could converge at this what at this month over here. So this is a perfect way to what to visualize trends over time. You can also display what display the equation of the chart. You can see for the what the R squared value. So the R squared value is a value between 0 and 1, and the higher the number, the higher the what the higher the R squared value, the better it is rather. So when you have an R squared value of over 1, so this Google Trendline showing the R squared value of 68%, while the Amazon Amazon rather is showing R squared value of what 68%. You can see, while the Amazon is showing an R squared value of what 58%. So if you say the what the Amazon Trendline what is greater than what than the Google Trendline. So I'll just close this. I'll just close my Chrome charts. Perfect. So when you have a data set and you want to visualize changes over time, the Trendline is the best bet. So this is it, guys. See you in the next video, which is on what on Sunday. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. Is there any Excel challenges or any Excel video you would like me to make a quick video tutorial on this for you? Hit me up in the comment section, let me know what it is, and I'll do my best possible to treat that for you. So thank you. If this video was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, share, and have a great week ahead. Thank you very much. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye. See you next week.